So, ang init. So guys, welcome back to my vlog and we are still here in Boracay. So for today's video, magta-try tayo guys for the first time ng Sunset Cruise Party by Red Whale, Boracay. Yun yung malaking dito, cruise na nag-offer ng sunset view with party of course. So bali, I'll give you more information about that activity later on. So for now guys, we are heading to our pick-up or meeting place sa may Muni Muni. Dito lang sa tabi ng Starbucks. Malapit lang, which is ito na agad. 1:30 PM yung meeting time. And ito lang siya. Starbucks, Jerry's Grill, tapos Muni Muni. So 1:30, we still have 7 minutes. Pero ano pa naman, ang sailing time ay mag-start ng 2 PM. And I think yan na sila kuya, mga naka-red jacket. So today is Saturday and I think guys baka fully book sila. Baka marami tayong makakasabay. And since solo lang tayo, joiners, we'll see kung ano yung expect natin sa Red Whale. So mamaya na, mga 1:30, check muna natin kung ano meron dito. Pakita ko sa inyo yung view. Yeah. Ito, katapat ko ang Starbucks, Jerry's Grill at saka Muni Muni. So again guys, kapag magtatry kayo ng Red Whale Boracay Sunset Cruise Party, dyan sa Muni Muni ang inyong meeting place at 1:30 ang meeting time. Magkukruise kayo guys for a total of 4 hours from 2 PM to 4 PM. Kaya sila kuya mga naka-red. Sila yung mga staff ng Red Whale. Kuya, Red Whale.
Red Whale po. Change ko na, change.
Hello po. Mark Paragas. Dito na ba magbabayad?
On board na lang po.
Okay.
Wait lang po.
Sige po. Ayan guys, mga staff ng Red Whale.
This is your table number later.
Okay. Kuya, safe naman may bag. Pwedeng iwan doon.
Opo. While waiting po tayo sir, upo po muna tayo sa loob sir.
Okay, sige. Sige, dito lang ako. Yan guys, ang boat ng Red Whale. Ayan, kung napapansin nyo, yung malaking yan, yung may red, yan ang bangka nila. And syempre, dito yung meeting place, tapos doon tayo sasakay. I'm not sure kung may bangka dito or lalakarin going there sa may activity dock. So, we'll see later. Ayan, say hello mga staff ng Pamana. At ayan, anong bestseller nyo dito
Sa Pamana po sir, bestseller po namin, Crispy Pata, Kari-Kari, Barrio Fiesta po, original.
May buffet di kayo? Wala?
Ay, wala po sir.
Pero may happy hour?
Wala rin.
Wala din.
Beer
So more
po,
on food lang.
Sir. Pamana po sir, Pamana Legacy. Meron po sa Baguio, Tagaytay.
Ayan, nice. Oo nga, natry ko yata ito sa Baguio.
Hawaiian barbecue sir, bestseller po namin is baby back ribs po.
So yun guys, kapag nandito kayo sa Boracay, Station 1, try nyo ng Pamana. Yan, meet nyo sila ate at kuya.
Yes po.
Yan, marami naman kumakain. So, mukhang masarap naman ang food.
Yes po sir, try nyo po kumain dito sir.
Ayan ate, welcome na welcome kayo dito.
Opo sir. Anong nyo sir sa YouTube sir para makita?
Mark Paragas.
Sir?
Mark Paragas.
Mark Paragas. Sir, follow up namin sir.
YouTube lang ate.
Sige po sir.
Thank you. Ayan. Ayan guys, may mga pa-special shoutout kila ate sa Pamana. Na-try naman natin yan before na nag-Boracay tayo, tsaka nag-Baguio. Meron silang branch and masarap naman in fairness. So yan, time check, it's 1:31 na. Marami na nagdadatingan guys. Ayan sila. And meron pala siyang yung mga wristband. Meron siyang number kung saan train table number. So guys, we are now heading to our sunset cruise by Red Whale, Boracay. Ang init guys, look at the view Grabe Sarap tumakbo dito. Back to Boracay daily. So maganda dito guys, mga karamihan sa kasama natin, mga Pinoy. So bahala na magkakahiya-hiyaan. Pero let's get the party started. Ayan, kumakaway-kaway na sila. So, itong activity natin ngayon, yung Sunset Party Cruise ng Red Whale, Boracay. Ang cruise time niya, duration guys, is 4 hours from 2 PM up to 6 PM. Ang music na. Party. Ayan sila. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Thank you. Good afternoon.
making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter. I can make it rain like a cash tsunami. You wanna slip and slide, we can link up. Working all the time, make it duller. Be a student, tie to make $1. Wanna live life like I'm on vacation. Gotta get those good vibrations. Oh, glowing so bright, I'm going lower. I'm riding high and it's just closer. Loving what I do and I know nothing gets me down, 'cause I can.
So guys, we are now here sa Redway Boracay Sunset Cruise and we are about to start the cruise and then on your party. So by the way guys, itong Sunset Cruise ng Redway, they have a lot of water activities. Meron mga paddleboarding, kayaking, may speedboat, creek jumping, kaya may slide, water slide. Kakatawa dito. First time to guys, and you will experience this sunset party cruise ng Redway guys for only 2,999 pesos. And I think hindi kayo magsisisa eh.
Good things show up, got me saying wow, wow. Oh, wow. Glowing so bright, I'm going lower.
Libre na mga picture-picture. Nag-party-party na. Baba na tayo. Welcome guys to Boracay Redway Party. Hey! Sabihin ko na lang din, yung rate niyo na 2,999 pesos, only pika-pika na siya, and only drinks guys, mocktails and cocktails, only juice, only water, saka pa, tapos party.
Alright, where's the energy? Alright, one more time. Hi! Hello! Alright, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Redway Sunset Party Cruise. Alright, so from this table, we're from Manila, Philippines. Korea. Davao, Philippines. Mayong pag-abot sa Boracay. Taiwan. Laguna, Philippines. New York, Cubao. How about here? Korea. And about here? Australia. Batangas, Philippines. Alright guys, so our first destination is we will go to our first snorkeling area, the Coral Garden Snorkeling Point. So in Coral Garden Snorkeling Point, for those who want to do snorkeling, you can do snorkeling. And then for those who want to do diving, jumping, or sliding, we can go upstairs and then you can do whatever you want. But before doing that activities, please wear your life jacket. You understand? So after we finish in our first snorkeling area, we will go direct to our second snorkeling area, the Balingay Snorkeling Point. So in Balingay Snorkeling Point, for those who want to ride speedboat, you can ride speedboat. And then for those who want to ride crystal kayak, paddleboard, or kayak, you can ride whatever you want. But before we ride, please wear your life jacket. You understand? So after we finish in our second snorkeling area, we will go direct to the end point of Boracay to see the Puka Beach. And then after that, we're going back to Station 1. While we're going back to Station 1, we will do the last part of our program, the party. Because we call this cruise Sunset Party Cruise, so we will not end without party. So are you ready to party? I can hear you. Are you ready to party? Guys, on a count of 1, 2, 3, everybody make some noise. 1, 2, 3, let's make some noise!
my smile on now. Put me in the dark, don't won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on, closer. Now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high.
So first stop guys ay ang Coral Garden Snorkeling Point. Dito pwede kayo mag-cliff jumping, water slides, and snorkeling.
Little more shining star to the sky, looking high. All the people, you're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name, love. Ooh.
Ay sir, tatalan tayo sir.
Ilang feet to kuya?
Kaya?
Malalim ba yan?
Malalim po. Tatalan ka po?
Sige. Okay na?
Kaya po. Okay. 3, 2, 1, and jump.
Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with the twilight, my only, my bestie. You my love. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you.
Siyempre hindi natin pwedeng palapasin ang pika-pika. And you know what guys, ang gaganda ng music playlist nila dito.
Let me if you want tonight. Ooh, I think it's slowing down now. Oh, more give me a hug, more want to talk. A dream like a moment, fantasy. Baby, I think about you now. Yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with your twilight, my only, my bestie. You fall into my love. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight, tonight. Let me if you want 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 tonight, tonight. Let me if you want 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 tonight, tonight. Let me
A few moments later.
Andito na tayo guys sa pangalawang stop, ang Balangay Snorkeling Point. Pwede ulit kayo ditong mag-cliff jumping, water sliding, and snorkeling. Dito nyo rin guys gagawin ng kayaking, crystal kayaking, paddleboarding, freediving, speedboat, at mermaid tail experience.
Okay. Sa pag-slide po natin, wag tayo hawak dito. And jump.
So guys, if you want to experience yung paddleboarding, crystal kayak, Tapos may free diving din kung marunong kayo. Ayan, si Kim. Yung bago kong na-meet dito na soloista din. Ayan, so try nyo guys. Marami dito. And mas malaki itong red whale. Next time, mag-aaralan ko yung free diving. Meron din mga nag-island hopping dito guys. So, mga ano, mga nag-snorkeling. Grabe guys, maganda dito. Actually, nakaka 2 hours pa lang kami. Kasi 4 hours yung total sailing nitong red whale. And pagod na kasi puro activities. Merong speedboat, merong crystal kayak, free diving, may slide, pwede kayo mag-cliff diving, and many more. So guys, if you want to experience this sunset cruise, wala pang sunset oh. Ito pa yung araw. So maaga pa, we still have 2 hours left. Magandang experience siya guys. First time ko, kahit pabalik-balik ako ng Boracay, first time ko mag red whale, mag sunset cruise, and this one the best, red whale. And again, ito. And again for 2,999 pesos. Sulit na sulit. Nag-enjoy sila, grabe. Nag-enjoy mga kasama ko. And huwag kayong mahiya kung soloista kayo or mag-isa kayong magta-try kasi sabi nga nila mas okay yung mag-isa kasi paglabas mo, you will meet a lot of people. And in fairness guys, pika-pika. Only pika-pika. May fruits, only fruits. Tapos only drinks, mocktail, cocktail. Nakarami ako ng nachos. Hindi pwedeng hindi tayo papatalo. Hindi pwedeng hindi natin masulit. So anyway, that's it. Let's continue our Red Whale Boracay experience.
Okay, ready? Look at the camera. Okay, look at the camera. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Sa kuya upo dito?
Sa gitna po.
Si Nachuka Hamnida. Wait. Alam nyo guys, dati sa Taytay Rizal, binaha kami na lagpas tao. Tapos, ang mode of transportation, wala kami choice kundi gumawa ng bangka gamit ang floating bed. Kaya marunong ako mag-paddle. Nakakapagod to ah. Masakit kasi yung ano ko guys, yung pagkakaupo. Marunong ha. Ayan. Dito tayo sa kabilang bangka. So yon, going back, ayan, ang mode of transport lang namin is bangka. Hinahati ko yung Mudrakels ko. Malayo, tapos babangkain mo. Lagpas tao. I think that was 20, basta nasa line of 20s na. Line of 20s. Mga I think 2,000, ganyan.
I know you're waiting till the morning comes my back. I just wanna be alone to feel free tonight. Told you so many times, don't wanna look back. Do I break your heart? What I feel inside, it burns me out. She wonder how I leave you. There's no tears, tears, my love, Humber cries anymore. Now I leave you, I am perfect size for another one. And you and I believe everyone talk to me. If I like some more than once you are perfect.
1 hour later.
Red Whale Boracay! Alright guys!
Ay! Thank you. Salamat. Yeah, that's it guys. That's our Red Whale Boracay experience. Nice. Thank you, Kuya. It was such a nice experience. And looking at this view guys, so sa background natin. So guys, it is a must try yung Red Whale Boracay. Kahit solo lang kayo, don't worry, you're gonna meet a lot of people, iba't ibang lahi, and they're all friendly. Sobrang saya. First time ko pero satisfied. You're not gonna get disappointed once you try. Ito pala si Kim ko. Ayan. Enjoy again. Nice to meet you, Kim. Bye-bye. Ayan guys, we're done for today's video. Uwi na tayo. Nakapagod. Lakas yung tama nung yung alak nila. Party talaga. And guys, aside from Sunset Cruise, yung party, meron din mga taraw, sailing. Yan sila guys. Hindi ko lang alam kung magkano, pero hindi ko pa yun natatry. In fairness, na-enjoy ko kahit solo lang tayo. Kahit solo lang, di ba? Enjoy. So, uwi na tayo guys. This is the view again sa background ko. Sobrang saya ng experience natin. First time ko pero hindi ako na-disappoint. So guys, again, for 2,999 pesos, you'll get the experience of party while you have the sunset view. And as usual, marami na tao dito kapag golden hour or sunset na. Kanya-kanyang picture taking. And share ko na lang din pala guys, mas magandang mag-inquire kayo or mag-book directly sa Red Whale Boracay website or FB page. Kasi I've tried yung mga agent dito. Guys, kapag solo lang kayo, hindi kayo papansinin. And I think because wala silang kinikita. Meron akong dalawang tinanungan. Ay nako, nung tinanong kung ilan, nung sumasagot, tapos nung sinabi ko ng isa lang solo joiner, di na sumagot. Medyo markado na sila sa akin. Deadma. Di naman sila kawalan. Kasi marami dito guys nag-offer ng tour. So kung gusto nyo mga trusted, diretso na kayo doon sa activity dock sa Station 3 kung malapit kayo doon. Or Station 1. Doon. Pwede na kayong mamili kung mga activities na gusto nyo kunin. And pwede sa mga solo as joiner. So that's really it guys. Thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin sa ating Sunset Party Cruise experience ng Red Whale Boracay. I hope na makonsider nyo siya kung gusto nyo ma-experience yung party, sunset party here. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Mark Paragas Official, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs natin. More travel, more fun. And see you on my next Boracay travel vlog. Peace, baby. Mwah.